Hello, amazing learners. Welcome back to Learn English PK, your cheerful corner for grammar, giggles, and growing skills. Today, we're hopping onto a brand new adventure with some helpful little words: is, are, am, was, and were. They're tiny but mighty, and they love helping us talk about what's happening right now, and what happened back then. So grab your seat and let the grammar fun begin. Say hello to 3 present time helpers. We use is when talking about one person or thing. Joins the party when there's more than one. And am is a special helper just for I. They help us talk about what's happening right now, bright, clear, and easy. Let's rewind the clock with our past time helpers. Use was when talking about one person or about yourself, like I was sleepy or he was kind. Were comes in when you're talking about more than one. We were happy, or they were here. These words help us describe what already happened, like snapshots from yesterday. Now that we've met our grammar heroes, let's see them in action. Each one brings life to our sentences, helping us talk about the present and the past. Let's try together. She is dancing. I am painting. Or, if it already happened, he was tired. We were at school. Ready to build your own grammar super sentence? It's challenge time. Amazing learners. Can you choose the right helper? Is, am, are, was, or were. Let's read the sentence and match the grammar hero that fits just right. Take your time, think like a grammar detective, and see how many you can solve. It's your turn to be a grammar time traveler. Start with a present sentence, like, I am learning English. Now, rewind and flip it. I was learning English. Can you swap all the sentences? Let's turn today into yesterday using our grammar helpers. Here's a quick look back at our grammar friends. We use am, is, and are when we talk about now. And for yesterday or before, we say was and were. Let's keep practicing, keep smiling, and let these helpers guide us in every sentence. From present to past, you've flipped every part. Grammar's no puzzle when you learn it with heart. Thanks for joining LEPK today. Come back soon to laugh and learn, we say. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like and share. Take care till next adventure. Bye bye.